I'm Ed Cortez. I work for Riverside Public Utilities. It's both water and electric, and our concentration with my staff is on the electric side. A lot of our processes for capital improvement was manual effort. Databases, spreadsheets, software that we used, siloed data, and you actually had to call someone. The data was everywhere. You couldn't get to it in one location. Once we got Pi, we were able to build the data sets through Pi instead of going to these other systems, and staff just became more efficient. Instead of hours, weeks, sometimes even months trying to get the data, it was all at the push of a button. So as far as savings for my group, roughly $100,000 per year is what we saved in the initial year alone once we got Pi. And we're developing more dashboards, more data sets as we go along. So I could see that number increasing. Before I went to the city of Riverside, I got my first introduction into OSI Pi back in the early 2000s. Riverside had already purchased a license of Pi for the water department. So the first thing I did was look at different systems that we could readily go into Pi for the electric system. Once I presented those different technologies that we can bring into Pi, it transformed, and now we wanted electric and water, but then our power generation group also looked like it could use Pi. So now we went from one license of Pi into an enterprise license. And that was really the tipping point, is to see if the whole utility could use Pi and what benefits we could bring to the utility. Our accounting, I believe, is going to start using it, our financial group, and there could be other groups such as the police department, the fire department, public works, parks and recreation, so any of those units can build their own dashboards. For us in engineering, we develop capital improvement projects. By having granular data, we can make better decisions. We can actually look at projects and see and prioritize which are more effective economically. I'm Ed Cortez, and that's my Pi story.